this video, I will be sharing one of my DIY recipes for a hair butter. I'm going to be using African shea butter, the white shea butter. I've got a collection of oils here that I'm going to add in there as well. I've purchased majority of these products from africaimports.com. As you can see here, this is my shea butter, which will be the base of this hair butter. Now, I'm not using any particular measurement. I kind of map out a little section that I want to use there, and I'll put that into my mixing bowl. And with this mixture, because I make such a small batch, I don't add in any type of preservative, but I'm going to add in some vegetable glycerin from Africaire, and it just adds a lot of moisture to the hair, and I enjoy the consistency of it. It's not too greasy, and I'm also going to add in Aunt Jackie's oil. This is the Manoi and flaxseed oil. Then I will add in my Indian black castor oil. And as I said before, all of these oils I purchased from africaimports.com. They have a really nice selection of hair care ingredients. I've also got some neem oil. And I will say with the neem oil, it has a very strong smell. So if you don't like the smell, I would suggest adding in some type of fragrance. I also have my Jamaican black castor oil with hemp. Here I will be adding in one of my own DIY infused oils to the mixture as well. I am using the double boiler method for this DIY. So I'm going to melt down the hair butter, and I will also be adding in the MSM powder, which is a natural sulfur found in plants. I feel like this will be a good addition to this hair butter because it does really good for stimulating hair growth, and it is in no way a preservative of any sort. Now here I'm just adding all of the melted down mixture into my jar. I will set it in the refrigerator for maybe 30 minutes to an hour just so that it can turn into a nice firm consistency. Then I will mix that together and get it to the texture that I prefer for a hair butter. As you can see on the inside, it's still pretty, it has a decent amount of liquid, which I prefer because when I mix it together, it creates a really nice consistency that I would like in a hair butter. So I'm just gonna hand mix this all together. And this will last me about maybe a week, 7 days. So I use a small amount of it so that I don't have to preserve it, as I stated before. And this hair butter works wonders on natural hair. And here is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.